Here's a present from Bob. He likes killing what he calls tree rats. What's up, everybody? Long time no see. Stay tuned, because in a minute I'm going to show you some footage that I briefly had on YouTube for a little bit, but had to take it off because of legal issues. So stay tuned. I'm getting ready to show that, but I just wanted to say, just thanks a lot to all my subscribers, especially new subscribers and stuff. I'm just gonna basically continue making videos on what I'm currently doing at the time, current projects and tools and stuff that I'll be using to do those projects and stuff like that. So the video coming up here, I did a couple years back on a jet ski flip that I was doing, and basically I had to take this video down for legal reasons because I was going to court over the sale of that jet ski. I know I can post that video, and the real reason I need to get that video posted is because it was more or less a big thank you to another YouTuber out there from the Garage Gang that really helped me out in a hard time. So you guys might want to take the next 10 minutes or so and just check this next video out. Last week I put a video up about the jet ski, and I asked for help on trying to figure it out, and the jet ski wasn't starting, nothing was working, the keys weren't working, it wasn't reading them correctly or something, and I knew it was going to be like $100, $200 or something to take it in and, you know, have it looked at. So I was really in a tight spot, and Me Do It Myself channel sowed a seed with Disciples Garage, and it's not going to go forgotten, that's for sure. What's up? This is Jeremy, Disciples Garage, and we are here at Truman Welter's. Is the local Sea-Doo dealer in our area. They got a big ass shop. They're also a case dealer, Cub Cadet. Yeah, I wish I had that program.
The white key was bad. This one had never been programmed to it. Neither had this one.
I haven't put fresh gas, oil, I haven't done any summarizing to it yet, so. I got 2 strips, that's good. Nice.
Here's them two. You want to go get your... How much do you charge just one flat fee?
For keys, it's one flat fee. If I do one or if I do 3,
Okay.
basically $30.
Okay. Awesome, man. That's cool. You guys could do that right away. Like, didn't have to run all the way down to the Noka Power Sport, whatever place, and leave it there for the whole weekend. Thanks a lot, guys. Big help. Blessed this last couple of days. It's been really crazy actually what the Lord's been doing in my life right now, but I'm just praying for this stuff to go. Just so behind in my rent right now, and you know, I'm not a whiner. I'm the type, you know, whatever, figure it out, you know, do whatever you got to do. By God's grace, it was only a key situation where the keys just needed to be reprogrammed. They're programmed, they're working. It was $30 to have 3 keys programmed. Now it's time to get it home and get it running right. Again, this has all been courtesy of Me Do It Myself. You guys go check out his channel. He's doing an S10. He's getting really close to painting it. It's a pretty cool little project he's got going on, and couldn't have done it without you, bud. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Bye. Also, if you notice, this is not my vehicle. Big shout out to my neighbors. I have the absolute best neighbors anybody could ask for. Chris and Cheryl, thank you so much. Chris, thank you so much for letting me borrow your truck. You've also made this possible.
Hello, Disciples Graduate. It's your host, Chad Berthium. As we're here today with this jet ski that we're trying to get running.
We're gonna go, Chad?
Probably.
We're getting a lot closer because we got this. We got 2 chirps, which means it's ready to start.
Yeah, and the guy didn't analyze it all winter, no plugs.
I told Chad to grab the camera just in case this thing starts so that we catch it on camera.
Yeah.
So it hasn't started yet, but we're getting close. We got it to pop off, so we're going to go ahead and hit it again. I don't know if that's like a...
Security.
No, like an overheat thing or something.
Woo!
Oh yeah, we're getting close.
She needs a lot of detail work into it.
There's a lot of oil and gunk and water and stuff on top of the cylinder, so. Oh my God.
Man!
It's almost there.
Oh, we'll be back here. We're gonna pull the plugs and let it charge up a little
Probably got
bit.
gunk all over them. I'll show you in a second when I get them out.
Yeah, well, I'll show you.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Feel that? Dick and gunk.
Oh, it responded to the throttle for the first time. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Here you go. Whoa. Oh! That was the closest it's gotten so far. This country was found in home. It's all night with your doors oh! No more, so you say your prayers and your thanks.
Yeah, baby! Yeah! Yeah, buddy! Yeah, baby! After 8 minutes of working with this. Yeah! Yeah! Look at all the smoke! Yes! Woo-hoo! Yeah, baby! Woo-hoo!
Thanks to all my subscribers again, and look forward to new content coming. I'm going to get to the point where hopefully I'm uploading weekly, if not every other day or so. Thanks again, and God bless. We'll see you guys. We're in the